I have no idea what type of bird this is. It's the first time I've seen it. Come on, stop hiding there. Daisy. Turn around, come on. Show us your stripes or your colors. He's got a Mohican